Dia Gwitch agus Fáilte. My name is Tom Cullen. I'm 9 years old and I'm from County Leitrim. Now that we have 2 weeks off school, I'm hoping to practice my dancing, my singing and my concertina, ride my donkey Dainty Regan, feed my 2 calves, Micheál and Phyllis. I also have lots of Uberwalia to do over the next 2 weeks. I usually go down to my nanny every Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, but I can't visit her now as we're not allowed to visit grandparents. There will be no knitting for the next while, so Bernadette McGowan, your jumper's on hold. Now I'm going to teach you the creeps. I'll do it fast first and then I'll do it slow. Down is heel toe toe, heel toe toe, heel toe toe toe, heel toe toe, heel toe toe, heel toe toe, shuffle hop back, stamp stamp. Heel toe toe, heel toe toe, heel toe toe toe, heel toe toe, heel toe toe, heel toe toe, shuffle hop. Now I'm going to dance it to a hornpipe, and to speed things up a bit, I'll dance it to a reel after. Thanks for watching everyone. Slán agus beannacht.